What I want to do different in this example is, instead of creating an object of book type right within this function, I want to create another function in which I'm going to instantiate the object and return it over here. And then it will simply use that object. So just so that we learn how you can return an object from one function into another. So it can be created someplace, could be returned someplace, just like it works in any other object-oriented programming. So we are going to create a function. I'll just create it right above so that it's in the context right above it. Okay, so we're going to call this one create a book variable. And now let me copy this whole line and paste it right here. We're going to simply return the book object. So create a book, declares an object called bkobj, which taps into wbook and pre-populates it with these values, and then it returns the object. So it's a value returning function. As we learned last week, that value returning functions in JavaScript just have a return statement. That's the only way to figure out their value returning. They don't have anything special in the function definition. Now, inside getBookInfo, instead of this object being declared here, instantiated being here, we're going to simply make a call to create a book So create a book, we're going to create a book, and we're going to return the book on line number 47, where we're going to use that reference to be assigned to book 1, and from that point onwards, it'll be just book 1. And the output, again, we're going to be exactly the same as before. We have just changed. So all we're doing in these 3, 4 examples that we did is we're just learning different ways of doing the same thing.